Eyeshadow. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a video of my everyday makeup routine using Holy Grail products, which are also acne proof. So these products are so amazing. I use them every single day and they're not breaking me out. And they never will break me out. So it's just, I highly recommend, that you watch this if you are struggling with acne. Also just to see products that I've been using and repurchasing over and over again for years, and I never really stray from them. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. We have a lot of exciting things coming, and yeah, I can't wait to get into this video. Okay, so we're going to start off with concealer. So the concealer, I don't know if it's acne safe or whatever, but it just goes under your eyes, so I don't think it's even a big deal. So I just put the concealer under my eyes. I put it on first. I did already though, like prep and prime my face with a special skincare routine. Anyway, so I just blend in the concealer with a beauty blender. Honestly, I only wet my beauty blender I said that right, beauty blender, if I'm doing like an extravagant look, like a special occasion. But for just every day, I just think it's totally good to just use dry. And we're only wearing powder today, which is why I do this underneath. Can't put concealer on top of powder, that would not be so cute. So there's the concealer. Some days I honestly just wear concealer, but today I'm showing you my holy grails of acne proof skincare routine. So this is the most important part of this whole video. It is powder. There's also a cream stick by the same brand, but it's Priya, P-R-I-I-A Mineral Derm. I use the loose mineral foundation in shade Sandy Beige, but there's also acne safe cream foundation in also Sandy Beige, but this is a little thick, so I prefer the powder. It really does a good job, so I don't have a problem with it. But so I just take a fluffy brush, I put some in the lid, and I just start down here and I work it in, get some more, tap in the lid, just apply it right over the concealer. And this powder is honestly so good, and it is completely, like, you are guaranteed, like, if you have breakouts, it's not going to be from your makeup, it's something else, because this is just completely acne proof. I won't say it again because I feel like I'm saying it so much, but yeah, so I just put this powder all over my face. Okay, now that the base is on, it's really nice. It's not too matte either. It kind of is like, has a nice slight dew to it, even though it's a powder, which is very cool. So the next Holy Grail product that I have been using every single day for probably 2 years or something crazy like that is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Bronzer. I have dug a hole in it, which I didn't think was possible because it is so huge. But I just used this brush by Sonia Kashuk. It's the brushes at Target. I love it. It has a little place like for you to hold. And I just use this for my bronzer because it's not too refined to be like contour, but it's still refined enough to contour, you know what I'm saying? It's really nice. Next, I'm using a highlighter palette from MAC that I have also been using like crazy. This is just every single time I do my makeup, these are the products that I use every single time. Like, I don't switch it up unless it's like I set a special occasion, then I branch out, but these are what I use every single day. So it's the Hyper Real Glow palette by MAC. I love this. It's just really awesome. Then these are the highlighters in here. Sorry, it's kind of dirty up in here. Did not mean, I don't know. You can see that I use it every day. But I usually, for every day, just take this middle one. I don't know what it's called. It's actually very interesting. The palette has no names for the shades. But I just pop that right up there. It's like not too gold. It's more pearly, which is what I like about it. It's like more champagne-y maybe. And then this one is the super gold one. This one's a little more, has a pinkish. And this one's super dark bronze. And sometimes I'll just go boop, boop, boop. But usually I just take the middle one. Let's just top it off a little bit. Okay, so now that the highlighter is on, my favorite highlighter ever, we are going to move to eyebrows. So since the end of time, I have been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, literally since the end of time. So I just use the brush end to get them sorted. Oh, my shade is dark brown, if you're wondering. Anyways, and then I just, you know, just do my brows. It's kind of hard to talk, so I'm just gonna fast forward through this. Okay, so the brows are on, the first step of the brows, anywho. And then the next Holy Grail product, do I have to say that every time? Probably, is Benefit Gimme Brow. I've used this forever, and they actually discontinued it for, I want to say around like 6 months or something, and it was devastating for me. I had to find a different one. I ended up using an Hourglass one, but as soon as they came back out with the Gimme Brow, I swooped it. I used shade 4, and I just brushed that real quickly over what I just did, just to enhance the hairs rather than the color that I just put on, so that it doesn't look so drawn on. Next, what I do every single day is I go back to my Marc Jacobs palette and I use the bronzer and a Morphe M441 brush, and I just use this in my crease. It's the perfect, I mean, I always like to use my bronzers in my crease initially before I go in with other colors, because I feel like it just matches really nicely. I like when things on my face match. So I just plop that in there, and then that's all I do for my eyeshadow. I'll go back in with the highlighting palette, and I take the highlighter that I used. So I use the middle one, take it on my finger, and I just plop it in the corners to make my eyes pop. And it's so pretty. Here, I should have been like this close the whole time. But yeah, I just plop that in there. Sometimes I do a couple layers to, you know, make it really pop. And that's it for the eyeshadow. So I just have the nice bronze color that matches here, and then I have this that matches here. I really like when they go together like that. So the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, mine is in Brownie, shade Brownie, and it's Eyeliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon. And then it's really nice because it has a twisty, so you don't have to shave it. But so I just put that on my upper lash line, kind of messily. Is that a word? I'm not sure, but yeah, I just lay it on there. You just kind of give it a gross little wing, but then what ties it together is this little brush that we're gonna use. It's Pro Gel Liner from Sephora, and we're just gonna smear it. Smear it up. It's really good for smudging. And then with the ugly wing, we're just gonna take the brush and pull it out. Okay. And then The mascara that I've used and buy over and over and over again is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. This one's sparkly because it was their birthday edition. Yeah, so then I just put some mascara on. Pretty simple. Oh, and the reason I like this mascara is, one, it really does a good job, and two is it has collagen in it, so it's actually helping keep your eyelashes healthy. The last everyday favorite that I'm gonna use is this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Kristen, and it's kind of a dark shade of lip gloss, so I just really casually tap it around, and then just to get a little bit of color and cuteness onto the lips. And then, since I don't like my upper lip, I feel like I need more of an upper lip, I take my Kat Von D Lovecraft lip liner and I barely go around the top. Just to make my upper lip a little bit bigger. Okay. So that, you guys, is my everyday makeup look using my Holy Grail products. It's very simple, it's very everyday. Please ignore my breakout. But it's also acne proof, which is the best because everyone knows, well, not everyone. There's definitely the very lucky handful in the world that were blessed with clear skin for their whole lives, but a lot of us know that acne sucks and is really hard to battle, and makeup does not help. So guys, I highly recommend going online to Priya. This is not sponsored or whatever, this is just saved like my skin, this powder, and it really looks good. Like, you can still do full glam with it, but I know that another one is the Bare Minerals powder. I just think that this covers better than the Bare Mineral powder, so I chose to do this. But anyways, thank you for watching. Stay tuned because I have really exciting videos coming up, like holiday party get ready with me, winter haul, a collaboration with a wonderful clothing brand, and many more. I just can't think. Oh, I'm going to New York. I'm going to vlog New York. It's going to be so much fun. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.